name is Viviana Moreno and my parent is
Sara Aguilera.
Today we are going to explain some parts of the brain. To perform the procedure, we need cap lab, gloves, and a code the brain.
We will begin that day recording of the part of the brain. We will talk about the lobes.
Frontal lobe. Frontal. Frontal. Temporal lobe. Temporal. Temporal. Parietal lobe. Parietal. Occipital lobe. Here we find the frontal lobe and their areas are motor cortex participates in the specific movement of the muscles of different parts of the body. Somatosensory cortex primary perception of touch responsible for the progress of sensory information of the skin and muscles. Motor cortex, motor planning and sequence, working memory, motor speech programming. Frontal multimodal association are responsible for coordinating the information of other brain areas.
The following with the explain is lobe parietal. It is considered an associate cortex and is responsible for the marking visual integrity as auditory somatosensory informative. Continuing with the occipital lobe. Occipital lobe. It is responsible of the processing of the visual information hardware primary of visual cortex. Used the phase of the simulative through death. Instead of the light, visual association directs oriental, spine, sensor, color, and shape. When the surface it became temporal lobe. Here we will find fundamental shapes of speech or auditory perception as will begin like to the memory and recording.
Now we will proceed to make a sagittal cut the brain dividing between left hemisphere and right hemisphere.
thalamus. Is the administrator of the movement control the process of the place, release, and sensory information. Corpus callosum. Connected the right and the left cerebral hemisphere coordinating the function of both.
Hipotálamos. It's a very complex structure of the brain that regulates many important chemical reactions of the brain. Pituitary gland. Control a large part of the production of other hormones from the body's glands. Lámina. Consists the facilitating integration and synchronization. What do you think about the contribution of research in neuroanatomy for psychology?
We perform the neuroanatomy and the psychology association of the direction between bearing neuropsychology and paradigms and psychological theories complaint of the author so that the discipline is like more pressure and that their term method more effective. Since they have a neuropsychological base, the problem can begin the house the most convenient and time for the home psychology problem.